Imagine you're watching Pluto TV, but there's no sound at all. Pluto TV audio issues often stem from app glitches, device compatibility problems, or network issues. The app streams in AAC or MP3 formats, so mismatches between the app's audio encoding and your device's output can lead to no sound. Temporary bugs in the app or OS can also cause problems. Weak Wi-Fi or incompatible hardware like old Bluetooth speakers can be factors as well. Don't worry, there are several fixes you can try. The first fix for no sound on Pluto TV is to check your device volume and mute settings. First, check that your TV, speaker, or device volume is turned up and not muted. Use the remote or device controls to adjust if needed. Next, test the sound with another app or input to rule out hardware problems like a faulty speaker. If sound works elsewhere, the issue is likely with Pluto TV settings. Completely close the Pluto TV app. On a mobile device, force quit the app. On a TV, use the exit button, then relaunch the app. This simple step clears temporary glitches and can resolve the issue in about half the cases. Power off the device you're using to watch Pluto TV, such as Roku, Fire TV, or Smart TV, for 30 seconds, then restart it. This resolves OS-level audio routing problems and is effective for many users. Restarting your device clears its memory, which often fixes software problems. To check audio output settings in Pluto TV, navigate to Settings within the app. Within the Pluto TV app, navigate to Settings, Audio. Ensure the audio output matches your device's capabilities. If you're having trouble with surround sound, try switching to stereo. This ensures compatibility and prevents audio codec issues. To fix audio issues, check your device's app store for Pluto TV updates. Outdated app versions often contain audio bugs that are resolved in newer releases. Updating ensures you have the latest audio codec support and bug fixes. When Pluto TV has audio problems, clearing the app cache and data can often fix corrupted files causing the issues. On Android or iOS devices, clear the Pluto TV app's cache in the app settings. On smart TVs, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the Pluto TV app. This removes corrupted files that can cause audio problems. Clearing data is especially helpful for persistent issues. If previous fixes haven't resolved the Pluto TV audio issue, here are the remaining troubleshooting steps. First, verify your internet connection. Try switching to a wired Ethernet connection for more stable streaming, or restart your router and modem to clear any network issues. Next, disable any VPNs or proxy servers. These can interfere with Pluto TV's audio streams by rerouting traffic in ways that disrupt playback. Then, try playing Pluto TV on a different device or switch to headphones. This helps determine if the audio problem is specific to your current setup. Finally, if none of these work, reset the Pluto TV app to its default settings or reach out to Pluto TV support through their live chat. Most advanced audio issues can be resolved this way.